Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to the viewers on onespotmedia.com. Jamaica has surpassed the 1 million mark in doses of the COVID-19 vaccine administered since the inoculation program got underway in March. Now, the 1 millionth dose was administered today, and as you hear in this report, even with this milestone, the government is continuing the fight against the vaccine hesitancy. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton was speaking in Falmouth, Trelawney last night as the ministry steps up its house-to-house vaccination drive. The health minister, along with community health aides, public health nurses and doctors, on a house-to-house vaccination drive. The aim is to take vaccines to communities that are not close to a fixed site and to persons who are not able to travel to get inoculated. But some Jamaicans continue to insist that they will not take the jab. So the minister was asked whether the ministry is winning the fight against vaccine hesitancy.
We still are far away from getting the numbers that we would like to get ideally. The truth is, as many Jamaicans as possible who qualify would like to get vaccinated. While it is true that we are inching closer towards achieving the targets, we need to increase the pace. But it's not a function anymore of people not having the vaccines or having access. It's a function of addressing the uncertainties and the hesitancy. And it's going to require all of us to play our part in pushing for that.
Health officials have been urging pregnant women to take the vaccine. It's why Medical Officer of Health for Trelawney, Dr. Diane Dale, appealed specifically to pregnant women who are delaying vaccination.
Some pregnant women are not doing very well with COVID infection. So we want to encourage them, especially the pregnant women, to know that it is safe to take the COVID-19 vaccine while pregnant. When you visit your antenatal care provider, talk with them around it and don't delay. Get vaccinated as soon as possible.
In the meantime, Dr. Tufton is indicating that the country has now reached the 1 million mark in terms of vaccine doses administered.
It's a psychologically a positive development because it shows that more people are coming on board. Probably 23-24% of the targeted population would have been fully vaccinated. And we are now moving ahead, and in the coming weeks we will be giving the first doses for Pfizer, but particularly children,